Hello friends, this is Shilpa and you're most welcome in Exotic Point. I'm Shilpa here with you to solve out your problems regarding direct and indirect narration. So as per the segment, the topic is going on of direct and indirect. So just have a revision of direct indirect. Yesterday I told you that there are two parts of direct and indirect narration: reporting verb number 1 and number 2 reported speech. So I think you have revised everything, whatever the changes are here, and all the things whatever was described to you for your own convenience. Friends, I have just single complaint to all of you that you are not leaving your comments. So please, wherever your complications, your difficulties, even your satisfaction, you just leave your satisfaction in the comment box in the form of comments and I will most welcome. So start the session. See, here today I have to tell you about the changes of tense. How to make a changes of tense? I told you yesterday about if reporting verb is in present or future, there will be no change in reported speech. So regarding that I am going to tell you. So keep remember, whenever you are going to change direct narration into indirect narration, if reporting verb is in past, then all these tense rules will be followed. Be attentive. If reporting verb is in past, then you have to follow these changes of tense. Present indefinite, it means when reported speech, there is only change in reported speech of tense. If reported speech is in present indefinite, you have to make a change present indefinite into past indefinite. Okay? If reporting verb is in present continuous, you will change that into past continuous. If reporting verb is in perfect, then same into past perfect. And if it is in present perfect continuous, in the same format you have to change in past perfect continuous. So have a single and simple formula that all the present will be changed according to the past. And now the question raises here about the past. So past is just a little bit difficult, not difficult if you are learning very well, if you are practicing, if you are understanding, there is nothing typical for you. So see, past indefinite will be changed into past perfect. It means one step ahead. Past indefinite into past perfect. Then past continuous. It's also the same, one step ahead. As just you are going up the stairs, you are leaving one stair. In the same format you have to do with that. Past continuous into past perfect continuous. That's okay. And be alert for that. There is no change in past perfect and past perfect continuous. No change. Only the changes I have told you already, the changes of pronoun means persons and certain changes will be followed. And according to the condition, no change in universal truth, historical facts, mathematical facts and geographical facts. Okay? So keep remember and revise also. So I think you have known about it. No change in past perfect and past perfect continuous. Now come to, there is no future indefinite like future continuous like. Here is something different. Will into would. Shall into should. Is, am, are. Is, am means was. Are than were. Okay, the change will go like that. Can into could. May into might, and was, were here. Can into could, may into might, was, were into had been, must, had to and has, have, had. Don't have a confusion. Has, have into had and must, had to. Clear? Then come to the certain change. So the changes I have told you about, these changes will be followed when you are going to know about that. If the reporting verb is in past, then in reported speech, according to the tense changes, these changes are followed. Clear? Now come to the certain changes. Certain changes are followed in all the conditions, leaving mathematical, geographical, historical and universal. I have told you already. Today will be changed into that day, tomorrow, the next day, the following day, yesterday, the previous day, or yesterday, the previous day, or in place of the previous day, you can also write the day before. Okay, the day before. Hence, into thence, these into those, now or just. Any word you find, you have to change it into then, ago, before, come, go, yesterday night, the previous night, tomorrow night, the following night. So, okay, tomorrow night, sorry, the next night into the following night. These changes will be followed like that. So, certain changes I am telling you, I am revising with you also. Certain changes are followed in all the condition except universal, geographical, mathematical and historical facts, and changes of tense are applied when reporting verb is in past, then it will be followed. So I think friends, today this is your homework. You have to learn it. You have to remember it. You have to understand it, so that tomorrow when we are going to make an exercise, we are going to start an exercise, because this is this may be a complication for you. When directly I start just now or the narration changing, maybe it's a complication, so that I would like to give you the time you can keep remember in such a manner. So today this is your homework, you have to keep remember, and right from tomorrow I'm going to ask a single question to all of you, and those students and those learners are watching my video, they have to leave the comment. Okay, are you satisfied? Are you getting me? Is there any complications? Without any hesitation you can write. There is no matter of writing about that. Okay, so thank you friend, and thanks for giving your expensive time, and don't forget to subscribe and share it to your friends so that they could take the benefit. At the present time of lockdown, I think no one is able to go outside, so online classes are going on. Some of the students also told me that I should start online classes, because at my home there is a problem of network, so I can't start. But uploading my videos, I will try to make you satisfied. Thank you very much.